Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a very beautiful diary easy method. Begin by collecting a blank notebook, decorative paper, glue, scissors, washi tape, stickers, and a ruler. Trim papers to size, arrange a cover design, and test layouts before gluing. Use layering and consistent colors to create a polished look. Add pockets, tabs, and a simple ribbon bookmark for function and charm while keeping each page easy to update. Create a standout cover by measuring and cutting decorative paper to fit with a neat border. Apply glue thinly and smooth carefully to avoid lumps. Layer a title tag or simple label, then secure with washi tape accents that double as decoration and reinforcement. Consider adding a small pocket inside the cover for notes or keepsakes. Finish with a ribbon or elastic to keep the diary closed and ready for daily use. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy craft ideas. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for bringing snacks or materials to a cozy journaling session without worry. They stash neatly in a bag and save your pages from spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For page layouts, keep headers consistent so entries feel organized at a glance. Mix weekly spreads with dedicated memory pages and a goal-setting section to balance planning and reflection. Use a faint pencil grid to align writing and decorations, then ink the important lines for clarity. Add small stickers or doodles to mark milestones, and use pockets or envelopes for tickets and photos to make the diary both beautiful and practical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.